Good morning, TikTokers. Today we're gonna show you change of keyboard, MacBook Pro M1. Let's go. As the first things, as always, we remove all the screw from the bottom. As you can see, I push up a little bit faster like that you don't get bored. This will be the part 1 of 3-4 episode. For this, follow the series like this. You can learn how to do it. You see, we're gonna start to open. Sorry, we remove it. We're gonna swap it. We open everything. As soon as you remove it, you see, you start the screw, remove it all the flat that are connected. This is very tricky. For this, after on YouTube we're gonna pull the full video, and there you can learn it, everything's possible, and how to do it by yourself. If you want to attempt, I don't suggest you really to do it that. Let's go. We remove it all the screw from the motherboard. There is many screw. For this, slowly we start to remove it everything. And after you can watch with the video step by step how to do it. It's a little bit long, guys, but this is a very technical repair. For this you need to know, you need to go slow and try to remember everything as possible, because the setup is incredible. How many screw he has is incredibly many. For this, watch everything in detail, and let's hope that you enjoy our video. For this, follow us and you learn it everything's about tech. Let's go.